Hello, my name's Todd Lees from Latima Brokerage and welcome to our weekly video wire. Growing conditions across the nation for all crops would be considered generally very good. Though we have heard reports that in some regions of the eastern seaboard, particularly in central west New South Wales, they've received too much rain and they've lost acres of Desi chickpeas due to waterlogging. What we need now is more sunshine and the rain tap to be turned off. The Bureau of Meteorology is predicting further falls of rain in southern New South Wales and Victoria next week of up to 20 millimetres. And then the following week they're also predicting another rainfall event of up to 10 millimetres for Victoria. They're also predicting that the August to October period is going to be an above average year for rainfall. So this all does sound a little bit ominous. All farmers in the trade will have all their fingers and toes crossed that we don't experience the same weather issues that our Northern Hemisphere friends have done, particularly in Canada and Europe, where they've received a lot of rain during the growing cycle, but also excessive rainfall at harvest, which has caused late harvest issues and some quality issues. The markets have been pretty quiet this week, both in the subcontinent and the Mid-East trade. The shock of the 1.7 million tonne Desi production forecast seems to have worn off a little as the trade realises that to achieve such a number would really require perfect conditions for the next 3 months, and very difficult to achieve. Factors such as losses due to excessive rainfall and also very late plantings impacting on yield potential have the trade still forecasting Desi production levels between 1.2 and 1.5 million tonne. Prices, Desi seem to have stabilised over the past few days and is now offered around that $800 for an October shipment. Deferred shipments after this are at a discount of anywhere $40 to $60 a tonne. Aussie lentils have firmed primarily due to concerns for the Canadian lentil crop and are now trading in the high 700s, around 780, 790 to the subcontinent. Black Sea Kabulis and yellow peas are trading at around 815 to 820 and for Kabulis, and around the 325 level for yellow peas. Aussie faba beans, old and new crop, are offered around that $380 level, while the Northern Hemisphere beans, UK Baltic, are offered around that 285 to 330 level, depending on whether it's in bulk or containers. And very close to harvest, mind you, the UK and the Baltic crops within the next 2-3 weeks, they'll be well into it. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me an email, and thanks for listening, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.